Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and I probably should check my hair. It's got 3 different colors. See, look. If you call this black, you can, but it's actually like dark brown. I know I have some grays, some yellow, a little bit of orange. So that makes 4 colors in my hair. I'm hoping to fix that this weekend. I just got it cut though, so I am definitely going to fix this. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you what I got from So Susan. This is a subscription. I love it. It's, I believe it's like 12 something a month, maybe 15 a month, but it is so much better than a competitor out there. I believe it's, I paid $107 for 6 months for this. So let me go ahead and show you what I received from So Susan. Gotta put my glasses on. Here we go. Okay, so the first thing is Jelly Pong, it says. This is a lip gloss. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, look, that's pretty. That's a keeper for me. I love pink. So this is a pink lip gloss. And I recognize the name of the company too. I don't know if a lot of you do, but I remember seeing someone else open stuff from them. This is again, from Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics, Caribbean Sun, a bronzer duo. So let's see how dark or how light this bronzer duo is, because if it's too dark for my complexion, you know where it's going to go in a future giveaway. So let's check it out. All right. See if I can open it. So it comes in a little container like this, and there's the colors. I don't really even use bronzer, but I don't know, the blush, as long as there's no sparkles in it, I can use the blush, but I'm gonna have to check on this a little bit more when I have a little more light, because I don't know, I think it's probably just wasteful if I keep it, because the likelihood of me using it probably isn't that the likelihood isn't that great. That's the word I'm looking for, I think. All right, next thing is, this is a So Susan color trip. A color trip what? Comes in a little box like this. Color trip. I don't know what that means, you guys. Color trip. Shadow, maybe? Eyeshadow? Oh, okay, yeah. Glitter. Glitter, glitter, and more glitter. I don't believe that I will be keeping this. This is earthly, it says. You know, this bag does come with a card. What happened to the card? I don't know what happened to the card, but it usually does come with a card to tell you what everything is, but I don't see it right now. All right, and then we get something kind of stuck in here. Always comes with some sort of a palette. This subscription does, and that's really, I mean, and the makeup products, I really like this subscription. So this is So Susan Cosmetics Perennial Palette Creamy Lip Palette. This looks slightly familiar to me, so if I have this will go in a future giveaway. I think I might have this or something very much like it. So let's see the colors on this. Can't believe, oh, I was just about to say, I can't believe little Brooklyn hasn't made her appearance, but yeah, there she is. Okay, Brooklyn, guess what? I don't want you to eat all my stuff. Because I didn't put it on a table, I just stuck it over here next to me. That's the smartest thing to do, isn't it? All right, here are the colors of the lip palette. Right here. I really like it. I do definitely like it. I think I have it. you know, you can get So Susan from other subscription boxes. And I believe I may have gotten this in another subscription box, but not from So Susan, but from like, I don't know, BoxyCharm or Ipsy or something. I see my trouble. Oh, geez. Now she wants to eat this. Yeah, I stopped talking because she was sitting there kind of scratching, and you know, she loves to scratch on my planner. This part. I don't know what it is about this, but when she loves to scratch it, and it doesn't seem to be making any marks or any damage. So sometimes I just let her do it, but I don't know what it is about that. Kind of weird. But that was my So Susan. And I do like my So Susan. Some of you may know, I'm a substitute teacher. I don't work very often. I usually don't work at all during the winter because the weather out here. I can't use that as an excuse all the time because today was 50 degrees. But I had a doctor's appointment today, so I couldn't have gone anyway. Right? Right. But I think in order for me to keep a couple of these boxes like this one, and one other one that I want to keep is the, what was it called? The ice cream. I think I'm going to have to work a couple days, like maybe 3 or 4 days, so I can tell my husband, well, I paid for it, right? Right, everyone? No? Well, okay. But I'll try. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for, I don't know why I'm holding this. I just did a video showing everyone what I bought from Ipsy from before Christmas, and this was one of the products just sitting here next to me. So anyway, everyone, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget my giveaway. I do have a giveaway. I'm going to try to do them weekly again. In March, I will be gone for about 2 weeks. I will be going on a cruise. Therefore, there will be no giveaway during those 2 weeks. Just to let you know. But that's about it. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.